Okay, this is a quick screencast for AntiSpam Bee, and this is a great plugin. It works much better than Akismet on any website. So first thing you want to do is look for AntiSpam Bee. Goes do a search for it. Will show up real quick right at the top. Install it. Very quick, easy to do. Activate it. Takes just a moment. Once activated, you'll see it's right here in your list. Hit settings for it. The settings for the default settings are useful in themselves, but there's a couple of things you'll want to do to change in it to make it a little more effective and so you don't actually have to deal with spam. First is in the three columns you see here in the first left-hand column, the filters. You'll want to set up this one here. Unless you use page caching on your website. Caching, listen to some of my shows, wpplugins.com. Hear my opinions and viewpoints about caching plugins and are they really necessary. So, other than that, you go down, BB code is spam, validate IP address, use regular expressions, all of those. The one checkbox you want to add to here is the use public anti-spam database. This one here matches it against the public IP addresses and does a really great job. And if you want also, say your website is focused in the United States, Canada, and you don't really need comments from other countries like Asia, Africa, South America, places like that, you can go block by specific countries and just go blacklist ISO codes. And there's a place here where you can get the ISO codes. Go take a look here and go look up the ISO codes of all the countries across the globe and start inserting those in there. Takes just a few minutes to do. Could save you tons of time down the road. The center one here, the big one here is marking spam and not deleting it. This can be a pain in the neck. It means you have to babysit the comments. If you uncheck this box, what it'll do is it'll automatically delete spam. It won't hold it for your review at all. The problem here is that AntiSpam Bee can be pretty brutal on people sometimes. And what will happen is they'll get a page that says, I'm sorry, your comment was marked as spam. Gone. If that happens, then you'll have to check this box and then come in and set it to delete spam after X number of days. So, best route, uncheck it. Next best thing, check it and make some adjustments. Over here on the side, couple more things, statistics on the dashboard, spam counter on the dashboard. If you decide you don't want to check trackbacks and pingbacks, I wouldn't recommend it, but you can do that. And if your comment form is used outside of posts. Other than that, hit save changes, you're good to go, and it will keep spam off your site. My accuracy rate has been 99.9%, I think, across all the websites I've used this on, compared to where I've used Akismet, about a 90% success rate. So this is much better than Akismet. So check it out, AntiSpam Bee, fantastic plugin. Thanks.